Now, we have here les vêtements. Les vêtements is a way of saying cloth. Cloth. So we are going to know some common clothes we need to know for now, for this level of class. We have a chemise. Chemise means a shirt. We have t-shirt. Same, it's an English word, so we use it in French too. We have pantalon. Pantalon means pant. We have pull. Pull means sweater. We have jean. It's English word too, jean. Robe means dress. Sandal, same as English, sandals. We have basket. Basket is what you call sneakers in French. Now you have jupe. Jupe who means skirt. You have culotte who means shorts. Chaussette who means socks. Chaussure who means shoes. Serviette who means towel or tissue. Petite culotte who means underwear. So I'm going to restart. Chemise, t-shirt, pantalon, pull, jean, robe, sandal, basket. Jupe, culotte, chaussette, chaussure, serviette, petite culotte. Ok?